What's up and welcome back to the continuation video of Mandalorian riding a Blurrg. Previous video I showed all the process how to unify the pieces and the painting experience of Blurrg. Today we will dedicate the entire video with the base, how to apply the realistic paint on the base, and also we will paint the Mandalorian, which will be mounted on top of the Blurrg. So this figure will be totally done by today's video. Let's start with post-processing. First, let's start with painting the base. As the base coat, I will apply this light brown color, which I have mixed light brown with some drops of dark brown, white, and I achieved this color. So I will use this one with airbrush to cover all the base. Then now I apply some dark gray. Now it's time to do the dry brush on the surface of the stone. I use this stone gray color. To paint the main parts of the torso, apart from the armor, I will use this mahogany ink. Sorry, I use smoke ink. Then mahogany ink I will use for the leather connection.